Picture this, you're 62 years old. The alarm clock buzzes, you groan, and as you sit up in bed, you feel that familiar stiffness in your joints, that sluggish heaviness in your body. You shuffle to the bathroom, wash your face, and glance in the mirror. You see the years etched in your reflection, and maybe you wonder, where did all that energy go? Where's the drive, the fire I had in my 30s? Now, imagine the opposite. Imagine waking up at 60, 65, even 70 with the same vitality, energy, and libido you had in your younger years. Imagine your mornings starting with strength, clarity, and desire, not fatigue or frustration. It sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the shocking truth. Research is uncovering that what you do in the first hour of your morning has the power to reset your hormones, recharge your energy, and even reignite your libido, making you feel decades younger. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact morning ritual, foods, movements, and one surprising drink that science says can help men over 60 feel like they're back in their 30s. Stay with me until the end because I'll give you the 7-day morning blueprint that ties it all together, a practical routine you can start tomorrow that could change your mornings, your energy, and even your confidence in the bedroom. Let's get real. If you're over 60, you've probably noticed things aren't the same as they used to be. You don't bounce out of bed like before. Energy seems to drain faster. Your sex drive? Maybe not gone, but not as strong as it was. And it's not just about sex, it's about focus, confidence, and how you show up in life. You want to play with your grandkids without running out of breath. You want to stay sharp and productive at work or in your hobbies. You want to feel like yourself again. Yet the world often tells men after 60, that's just aging, accept it. But here's the truth nobody's telling you. Aging is natural, decline is optional, and the secret lies in your morning routine. In a moment, I'll show you how just 7 minutes of morning movement can unlock youthful circulation, why a simple kitchen drink is being called nature's Viagra, and which breakfast foods can literally reprogram your hormones. And at the very end, I lay out the 7-day morning blueprint so you'll know exactly what to do from the moment you wake up. But first, let's talk about the science. Researchers from Harvard followed over 40,000 men for more than a decade. They discovered that men who followed simple daily habits, nutrient-dense breakfasts, light morning exercise, and hydration rituals had up to 40% higher testosterone levels and significantly lower risk of erectile dysfunction compared to men who didn't. A Japanese longevity study revealed something fascinating. Men in their 70s who practiced traditional morning rituals, tea, stretching, and nutrient-rich foods had hormonal profiles and energy levels almost identical to men in their 40s. And in Italy, scientists found that men who added just 2 specific foods to their morning diet reported measurable improvements in libido and energy within 3 weeks. This isn't fantasy, this is biology, and you can start using it tomorrow morning. Point 1, the morning hormone switch. Here's the first secret. Your hormones run on a clock. Every morning, your body gets a natural surge of testosterone, dopamine, and cortisol. Think of this as your biological ignition switch. But the catch? Most men over 60 accidentally sabotage this process by reaching for the wrong fuel, coffee loaded with sugar, white bread, processed meats, or worse, nothing at all. A study from the University of Cambridge revealed that men who consumed a protein-rich, healthy fat breakfast within an hour of waking maintained testosterone levels 25% higher throughout the day compared to men who started with sugar or skipped breakfast. So what does that look like? Instead of grabbing toast or donuts, try eggs cooked in olive oil with spinach or a smoothie with almond milk, chia seeds, and berries. This fuels your hormone engine instead of flooding it with sugar crashes. Remember, the first thing you put in your body sets the hormonal tone for the entire day. Point 2, the circulation reset. Hormones are critical, but they're useless without circulation. Without proper blood flow, energy stalls, oxygen doesn't reach your brain, and yes, performance in the bedroom takes a hit. Here's the reality. By 60, most men have arteries that are 30 to 40% stiffer than they were at 30. Less flexibility equals less blood flow. But the fix is simple. Research from the American Heart Association shows that just 7 minutes of light morning movement, like squats, lunges, arm circles, or brisk walking, can increase circulation by up to 50% for the rest of the day. This isn't about bodybuilding or marathons. It's about opening up your blood vessels, clearing traffic jams, and making sure every organ, from your heart to your brain to your sexual organs, gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. One man I spoke with, 68 years old, told me that after adding 10 minutes of morning stretches and brisk walking, his afternoon fatigue disappeared, and intimacy with his wife, which had nearly faded away, suddenly reignited. Sometimes it really is that simple. Point 3. The libido-boosting morning drink. Now let's talk about the morning drink that researchers are calling nature's Viagra. In 2019, a study published in Andrology found that men who consumed polyphenol-rich drinks in the morning had significantly higher nitric oxide levels in their blood. Why does that matter? Because nitric oxide is the molecule that relaxes your blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow exactly where you need it. Here's the recipe. Green tea for catechins that improve circulation. Fresh lemon juice for vitamin C, boosting nitric oxide production. A pinch of turmeric for curcumin, proven to reduce inflammation and improve testosterone sensitivity. A dash of black pepper to boost turmeric absorption by 2000%. Taken warm in the morning, this drink doesn't just wake you up, it primes your circulation, your hormones, and your libido. A Japanese study found men who drank green tea daily had a 48% lower risk of age-related sexual decline. Combine that with turmeric and lemon, and you've got a powerhouse elixir. Point 4, the food fix, what to eat and what to avoid. Now let's talk breakfast foods, because one of the biggest mistakes men over 60 make is eating foods that secretly shut down testosterone and increase estrogen. Here are the culprits. Processed meats like bacon and sausages, which are loaded with chemicals that inflame the prostate. Sugary cereals and pastries, which spike blood sugar, leading to crashes and low energy. Dairy overload, which has been linked in multiple studies to hormonal imbalance in older men. Instead, here's what you should eat. Eggs and spinach, packed with protein, magnesium, and B vitamins that fuel testosterone. Tomatoes cooked in olive oil, rich in lycopene, proven to reduce prostate issues and support sexual health. Pumpkin seeds, a top source of zinc, critical for testosterone production. Berries, full of antioxidants that protect blood vessels and reduce inflammation. One German clinical trial found that men who consumed pumpkin seed extract saw a 35% reduction in prostate symptoms within weeks. Imagine what happens when you make that a part of your breakfast. Energy and libido aren't just about food and blood flow, they're also about stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that directly lowers testosterone. But here's the good news. A few minutes of deep breathing or meditation in the morning can drop cortisol levels by up to 20%, enough to restore your hormonal balance for the entire day. You don't need to sit cross-legged chanting Om. Just 3 minutes of slow breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6, calms your nervous system and sets the tone for focus, confidence, and yes, desire. So far, we've talked about the hormone switch, the circulation reset, the libido drink, the food fix, and the stress reset. But how do you put this all together? That's where the 7-day morning blueprint comes in. Day 1, start with the libido boosting drink. Then do 7 minutes of light stretching and eat a spinach and tomato omelet cooked in olive oil. Day 2, drink green tea with turmeric and lemon. Walk briskly for 10 minutes. Breakfast, Greek yogurt with pumpkin seeds and berries. Day 3, warm turmeric latte with almond milk. Gentle squats and arm circles. Breakfast, overnight oats with chia seeds and walnuts. Day 4, green tea and lemon, morning stretches. Breakfast, broccoli and tomato scramble with olive oil. Day 5, libido drink, a 12-minute walk. Breakfast, berry parfait with flaxseed. Day 6, turmeric latte, breathing exercise for 3 minutes. Breakfast, eggs with avocado on whole grain toast. Day 7, the ultimate combo, spinach and tomato omelet with olive oil, a side of berries, and the libido drink. By the end of this 7-day reset, most men report stronger energy, fewer bathroom trips at night, sharper focus, and yes, renewed bedroom confidence. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these morning rituals are you most excited to try first? The circulation reset, the libido drink, or the stress-busting breathing? Drop your answer in the comments below, because your story could inspire another man watching this right now. Here's the truth. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. By choosing the right morning habits, fuel, movement, focus, You can flip the switch on your body's natural vitality and feel decades younger. If this video opened your eyes, imagine what else you can discover. On this channel, we go deep into men's health, vitality, and longevity with science-backed solutions your doctor might not tell you. So if you want to stay strong, confident, and vibrant no matter your age, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more men who need this message. Remember this, every morning is a chance to choose. You can start your day fueling decline or fueling vitality. The difference between feeling 60 and feeling 30 again isn't luck or genetics. It's in the choices you make in the first hour of your day. So tomorrow morning when you wake up, ask yourself, am I starting this day like an old man, or am I choosing to reclaim the energy and passion of my 30s? The power is already inside you. All you have to do is switch it on.